Hello there. In this video we'll be solving for f of x. What's given? The integral or a differential equation f of x, f derivative of x dx, which is equal to x, and the other given f of 1 is equal to 4, and we are supposed to find f of x. So let us integrate what you see here to the left side. Let us do it by substitution. U is equal to f of x. If you derive both sides, du will be f derivative of x dx. Then let us replace. The integral part will be u du, which is equal to x. Obvious. How comes? Because f derivative of x dx will be substituted by du. Here it is. And f of x, obviously it is just u. Therefore this integral will be u square over 2 plus some arbitrary constant c, which is equal to x. Now let us try to make the u the square alone here. So for that purpose you can shift c square to the right side and multiply both sides by 2. So obviously u square will be 2x minus 2c. First the c goes and it will be subtracted, and then multiply both sides by 2. Now get it back. What is u? The u means f of x. So f of x square will be 2x minus 2c. At this point we can put both sides in the radical and get f of x. F of x will be plus or minus the square root of 2x minus 2c. But we are given f of 1. F of 1 is equal to plus or minus square root of 2 times 1, which is 2 minus 2c. That's given, which is equal to 4. This implies 1 positive 2 minus 2c is equal to 4, or the other one, the negative one, negative of square root of 2 minus 2c is equal to 4. Let us solve one by one. When you square both sides here, when you square it, the radical will be removed, and 2 minus 2c, which is equal to 16, then reshuffle. 2 minus 16 is equal to 2c, then negative 14 is equal to 2c. So divide both sides by 2, so c is equal to negative 7. One answer. What about the other one? When you go to the other one, first of all you need to remove this negative. Multiply both sides by negative, so square root of 2 minus 2c will be negative 4, which is impossible. Doesn't work, so we can ignore this part. So our c value will be negative 7. So finally f of x will be already f of x, 1 positive 1 negative. Obviously the positive only will be taken because the negative doesn't work, so it's going to be the square root of 2x minus 2c. Here it is, but the c is negative 7, so when you multiply plus 14, that's going to be the end of the video.